Feeling slick beneath my feet tonight, reflecting neon where the shadows crawl. Just trying hard to catch myself before the fall. The air is thick with whispers and the scent of wet stone. Every memory I thought I'd left, and the rhythm's getting faster, can't keep pace with the rain. Washing down the promises and numbing all the pain. Lost in the downpour, lost in the downpour tonight. Washing out the colors that we swore we would keep. Just drift beneath the deluge while the city sleeps. Saw your silhouette beneath the broken street sign, a perfect stranger painted by the waterline. The yellow taxis rattle past in hurry streams, like broken fragments of forgotten teenage dreams. We stood so close, yet oceans wide between our hands, lost in the rhythm of these foreign wetlands. Rhythm's getting faster, washing down the promises and numbing all the pain. Washing out the colors that we swore we would keep. Just drift beneath the deluge while the city sleeps. Did we ever mean a thing, standing in this drizzle? Was it just a moment, a temporary fizzle? The curtains falling, the last drop hits the ground, and the only echoes are silence all around. Lost in the downpour, lost in the downpour tonight. A monochrome feeling, the colors we swore we would keep. Just drift beneath the deluge while the city sleeps. Lost in the downpour.